How to send WhatsApp message without saving number. The first thing you have to do is go ahead and open up your WhatsApp app. And then from here, you need to go ahead and tap on the search icon at the top. So usually what happens is if you search for any number here, you won't be able to see it because it's not on your contact. So what you're going to do first is go ahead and tap on new message down below. And then here you're going to have to message yourself. Tap on it. So enter the number that is available on WhatsApp. So here I have entered a random number. So what happens is if you tap on this number and if it's valid, it will show you if the number is on WhatsApp or not. Unfortunately, this is not on WhatsApp. But what I can do is if I tap on it, I can dial it or add to contact and invite to WhatsApp. But if you already have the number on WhatsApp, you will have options like chat with this number instead of dial, and then call on WhatsApp, and then you have add to contacts. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.